The 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.